Dan Sweet here, Trash Bin Cleaner Direct. We're getting this trailer loaded up and shipped up to Quebec, Canada. This trailer is what we call our titanium trailer package with an oversized hopper, and it's got dual hydraulic lifters for it can pick up 2 trash bins at the same time. The cleaning speed here is astronomical when it comes to that. We average about 40 of what we call starter cans, not maintenance cans, but 40 trash bins an hour that have never been cleaned before, what we call a heavy duty clean at a waste facility. 60 when it comes to like medium duty, and even more if you're just doing maintenance cans. The record at a waste facility, which are the worst of the worst cans you're going to find that go back there, normally exchanged because they're too dirty for the homeowner to clean, was 525 in a single day. Other averages of 400 a day. It's not that uncommon at all. So basically, if you're looking to get into the trash can cleaning services, the experts here at Trash Bin Cleaner Direct, we've been manufacturing pressure cleaning systems for 35 years. Been manufacturing trash bin cleaning systems for over 12 now. Pretty much, I even sold one of my biggest competitors 6 rigs, and unfortunately he decided to take my technology and start to manufacture them himself. Now we have, better ways of securing our technology than we did back then. But typically, we have hundreds of units out there. We have the best year ever. This industry is absolutely blowing up and expanding on a daily basis. If you're thinking about getting into it, you can literally be the first to market in your area, and that's critical. My most successful clients are the first to market, because if you have homeowner associations and communities, you can lock them in for 1 to 5 years worth of service, and just so much you can do. This is also a massive multitasking pressure cleaning system. So we run the biggest hot water power washer in the industry, a 35 horse hot water power washer. We're even going to have some 38 horse hot water power washer. We don't use a 22 horse Honda GX690. Somebody wants an economy unit or a cheap unit, we could do that without an issue. Our big thing is that we have mega power because we want to be able to clean the trash bins faster. For every extra gallon a minute that we push through the head, so I'm going from 8 gallon a minute to 9 gallon a minute, doubles your cleaning speed. So we have, since we're pumping 9 gallon a minute through these, it's just a tremendous amount. And we start off with 3,500 psi at 9, and then break it down. We have 3,000 psi stainless steel cleaning heads. We always ran our 2,800 psi, which we've never had to replace a worn out cleaning head yet. And then we just upped it into an all stainless steel, 3,000 pound rated. Unlike others that, started off and deliberately went with small, low pressure, 2,100 psi, 1,400 psi head, just so they can have design obsolescence, sell a ton of heads to people on a yearly basis. We never believed in going out and cutting corners or design obsolescence so you have a higher profit margin. I mean, maybe I flunked business when it came to going cheap and having a nice residual income off the the pain in the backs of our clients. I never believed in that. I always go with extreme industrial grade. This trailer had the 18 stage wastewater recycling and filtration system, a 14,000 pound rated tandem axle trailer. I don't use a 10,000 pound rated trailer and put two 525 gallon tanks. That's 8,800 pounds. The water kind of ludicrous. I mean, to be thousands of pounds over cargo weight like that. So we run a 14,000 pound trailer. This titanium trailer only weighed about 9,800 pounds, fully loaded with both supply and wastewater tanks full, gas, everything. So we're always being extremely compliant on that. And then we have double doors on each side. I'm an heavy equipment. Worked on hydraulics, diesel, gas engines, heavy equipment, high cycle military electronic equipment, and basically just designing this thing to exceed everybody's expectation. Everybody that comes to pick up the rig or see the rig is blown away by the 1/8-inch steel doors and panels, the 1/4-inch aluminum hopper, the 14,000 pound rated trailer, when I could easily get away with a 10,000 pound rated trailer. The way this trailer is fully loaded at 98, 35 horsepower hot water power washer, 800,000 BTU burner, not a 440,000, and chemical sanitization system, any inlet and high pressure reels, and even an 8,000 PSI rated retractable reel, super heavy duty. So to learn more, contact the experts here at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct, 877-699-0755. Also, I'll zoom in here a little bit. That's our website and information there, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. We also are pressurecleanersdirect.com. So if you're looking for a high-end, massive, monster-sized hot water power washer, give us a call. We can help you with all your cleaning needs and help you get a whole turnkey business. We can help you with website, graphics, custom colors, trucks and trailer package. We have 7 models available currently. Dan Swede, owner of Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Once again, we've been manufacturing these for over 12 years now, and I've been in pressure washer manufacturing and wastewater recycling and filtration systems for about 35 years right now this year. Thank you again. Give us a call. Love to earn your business.